There's Fred, looking out the window. Alrighty. It's about 60 degrees right now, supposed to get up in the 70s today. Looks like a pretty decent week. So we're just going to the dollar store to pick up a few things. Haven't been up there in about a week. Gotta get Fred some dog food. Gotta get something to drink. And who knows what else. Maybe a couple of frozen Hungry Man TV dinners. Fried chicken. Fried chicken only. Those are the only kind I buy.
An angel, angel, calls out to me like a siren to a scoundrel. I say, come on, child. And I say,
if you recognize that song, it's probably because I stole it off your channel. I edited out the video and I just kept the music. Guess who you are? You know if you're watching.
an angel, angel, calls out to me like a siren to a scoundrel. I say, come on, child. And I say, an angel, angel, calls out to me like a siren to a scoundrel. I say, come on, child. And I say, an angel, angel, calls out to me like a siren to a scoundrel. I say, come on, child. And I say, an angel, angel, calls out to me like a siren to a scoundrel. I say, come on, child. And I say,
Show you Fred's favorite spot, sitting there right there. Can you see him? Can you see him? He's just sitting there waiting. Just come over and lick my face, giving me kisses. Oh, look at him! Look at that little curly boy. You need a girlfriend, you know what? Let's see, here we go. Oh, police got somebody stopped. 2 police. Check it out. They're over there unlawfully arresting someone probably. Oh yeah. Got the cuffs on. Got the cuffs on. Let's spin around and see what's going on. We're gonna watch him for a minute. We're gonna audit the police. Go ahead, dude. Fred wants to see what's going on here with these police over here. Well, we're gonna have a big fucking traffic jam here or what? Somebody getting arrested for something over here. Can't quite tell what. Your name and badge numbers, officers. I know you're violating their rights over there. I don't know. How you looking? How you looking? I think I can get out over here. Yeah. Anyway, take her to jail, officer. I don't know what she done. Apparently it was wrong. I'm sure they stopped her for no reason. See all them guys with guns over there? There's at least 3 of them. 3 cops, 2 cars. Over a woman. Outrageous, huh, Fred? Bastard. I should go interfere with their investigation, but I've got to go get some dog food. Okay, now pay very close attention. You're about to see me get assaulted by a homeless woman. It was horrendous. I hate to show this kind of content, but it's how it is out there in the world. We don't have time for that today. Heidi-ho, we're here at the Dollar General. My favorite dollar store. Oh yeah, they're just loaded up with homeless people and bums and people asking for money and good Lord, who knows what. You got some money I can have? Do you have some money I can have? Can I have some money? Come on, little lady, get out of the way. I ain't got nothing for you. Out of the way. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Get out of here. Get out of here. Fucking don't spare change me, dude. Don't fucking do it. Oh, Fred, now she's gonna hassle you. She's gonna hassle you, Fred. No, get out of here. Beat it. Crazy old woman. Oh, fuck. I ain't got nothing. Get out of here. Go on. Go on. Yeah, that might have seemed rude of me, but I've had many encounters with these people, and I've had some really bad ones, so I just treat them all the same now. Just get away from me. But you see how close that was? I nearly lost a limb in that encounter. Anyway, let's continue. There we go. We got Fred some dog food. Went off one homeless panhandler. Looks like we might have a hooker over here standing in the parking lot. That's what I hate about coming down here sometimes. On a nice day, they usually be sitting all along this row of buildings over here. There's Granny the hooker. Hi, Granny. Yeah, no thank you. Yeah, she's looking for a date. Sorry, hon. You're even too old for me. Oh my. Pot belly and spandex pants. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, the cops are still down here harassing taxpayers. That's what they're doing. I can see them. They're right over there if you can't see them. So, looks like we got 3 cruisers there now. Must be some big goings on over here. I'll park across there at the Walgreens and get some video evidence of the tyranny going on in Wichita Falls today. Because it looks bad. It looks really bad. Let me get a good view. Oh, look at this. This is precious. This is priceless. Look at those tyrants. Look at them. What's your legal articulable suspicion, officer? Do you have any at all? Tyrants. Look at that poor innocent girl leaning up against a police car there. God, this is brutal. Well, they have got that car surrounded, a little black something, I don't know, I can't tell the difference in the cars. They all look alike nowadays. Can't tell one from the other. I know it's black. That might even be a cop over there in that black truck on the left, I don't know. Parked out there. I don't know, looks like something pretty nefarious going on over here. Let's zoom her in there. What is going on, people? Looks really bad for the cops. Let's zoom it back out a little bit so we can get the full beauty of what's going on. 3 cop cars, all surrounding one poor innocent, probably female. Oh, there's 2 females over there. One of them's in cuffs. The other one's just leaning up. One's on the phone. They're probably calling their attorneys right now. Who knows? Oh, it's the little white 4Runner they've got pulled over there, it looks like. A little Jeep. Little white Jeep. That must be, yeah, that's in the middle of the road. That's the car they've got stopped right now. They're having quite an investigation over there. You bastards. Look at him sitting all down, comfy, cozy in his little cruiser there. Well, that poor girl has to stand there outside in cuffs. It's torture. Torture cuffs. Yeah. Okay. I guess it's over. There ain't nothing going on. I'm bored. I'm leaving. Tyranny in America. Okay. You're free to go. If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. So I'm leaving. Because I'm free to. I'm free to do whatever I want. I live in America. Don't forget it, tyrants. I'll make a getaway while they're not paying any attention to me. I'll zoom away. They didn't even notice me. How dare they? Don't they know who I am? They're just pretending not to recognize me right now. They don't mess with the media, and I'm media. I'm not just some punk off the street. I've been to law school and everything. I'm telling you, it's getting dangerous in America, folks. I would make a good frauditor. I can't think of the lines. I forget things. I'd have to carry a written script with me. I'd have to have headphones on and somebody in the background telling me what to say. Yeah, so, you know, that would be so phony. Well, if I want to be a real auditor, I have to think up this stuff myself. So I wouldn't make a very good one. I guess I better just stick to what I'm doing. What do you think, Fred? What are you looking at? Let me roll the window down for you? Okay. Alrighty, not all the way down. I have to roll his window part way down and then lock the window so he can't make it go up and down on his head. Or otherwise he'll either strangle himself or roll it all the way down and he'll fall out the car window. He did that once when I was just sitting still. He accidentally rolled the window down and fell out on the ground. He didn't get hurt or nothing. He landed on his feet, but it was spooky. Spooky. Scared me. You scared me, didn't you, Fred? Now I gotta lock the damn window so you can't roll it down by accident. Knowing Fred, he probably did it intentionally. Probably saw a squirrel or something. He hates squirrels. Squirrels that live up behind my house, or rabbits as I like to call them. They're too smart for Fred. They're watching for Fred every second. If he comes out that dog door, they're gone. They don't mess around. When I first moved there, he'd catch him. It was terrible. I had to fucking chase him around, make him let him go. I don't know if he's trying to play with them or he's trying to eat them. Well, folks, you saw it for yourself. Tyranny in Wichita Falls. You got to be careful when you go out there. Always be armed. You know, don't take any chances. You never know who's sitting around the corner. You got your homeless, your hookers, your tyrant cops. They're everywhere, and you got to see it in real life today. The dangers in America. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my video. Y'all have a great day now. Bye.